Hi friends, I am Noor. In this tutorial, I will show how you can remotely access another computer. We first need to access the configuration of the client. This is the client PC and access using the BNC. For first, we need to check the network. This is the same network or another network. We ensure this is the network is same. This is the C class IP. Also 4.4 is gateway. And now check my PC IP. Also my PC IP is C class. Also gateway is 4.4. Okay, we can see this is the same network. Both are same. Now we ping first from my PC. This PC can be connected ping or not. We can successfully send package or not. This is the 4.12. This is a 12 IP. I am ping, right ping, and 192.168.4.12 and enter. We can see send receive is successfully done. Now we process for remotely access. For remotely access, we go to the this computer to properties. This computer name is Nurmohammad. You can change also this name from click the change setting. Now we click the advanced system setting and press the remote. Then allow remote connection and click the select user. Then advantage to find. And first we allow for administrator. Just select administrator and press OK. OK. Apply. Also OK. This is the first we are authorized only for administrator. For remotely access, we go to the run and type msthc and given the IP address. This is the 192.168.4.12 and press connect. We can see this is the can be connect. Need to username and password. We give the computer name. This is the Nurmohammad and we allow for administrator. That for we write it administrator and write your password, administrator password and click OK. Friends, we can see message is coming yes, and we can see we can access the successfully this 4.112 PC. Okay, this is successfully connected using the remote. If you do not subscribe till now my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the more technologies video. We check this is the 4.12 PC or not. Friends, you can see 4.12. This is the same IP where access this IP. Now we allow for user. This is the Nurmohammad. This is the PC name. And again go to the system setting. Or first you check your PC another user have or not. If you not another user, just you click another user from properties. Sorry, this is create for manage to local user and group and then users and click another user. This is have Nurmohammad engineer another user and now access for Nurmohammad engineer from advantage system setting. to remotes and allow user add advance find now allow for Nurmohammad engineer these users. Okay, Nurmohammad engineer, this is the another user. Now I am access for another user. Now I am close and try to connect using the my Nurmohammad engineer these users. Go to the run to write there is msthc and press OK. Then same IP 4.12. Now choose more option. This is the right is Nurmohammad engineer. Also write user password and press OK and press yes. Friend, you can see this is the Nurmohammad engineer. This is the user. We success. You can see Nurmohammad engineer. This is the user. Same PC. I am access using the administrator. Also user PC. Friends, if you do not subscribe till now my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the more technologies video.